This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
All right, welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P. And I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And sometimes I give away free money. Now, today I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm doing a tutorial on this app called Bitplaza. So, the reason why I'm doing this tutorial on this app is because I have made videos in the past where you can earn money or earn Bitcoin money. Now, a lot of people just get the Bitcoin money and just kind of like save it for future use because, you know, sooner or later, a lot of things are going to be available for you to use the Bitcoin, like this app. So now, instead of just saving your Bitcoin, you can start using your Bitcoin and buying items with your Bitcoin. So before I get into this tutorial, I just want to say this. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss not one video. And please give me a like. It really helps my channel and helps this video. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this video. Now let's get into this. Now, the name of this app is Bitplaza. And let's just read a little bit about it right quick. New generation shopping with Bitcoin. Wide range of categories, products to choose from. Quick and easy checkout, friendly customer support, fast shipping directly to your door. So it says shopping with Bitcoin made easy. Bitcoin is a global shopping app which lets users spend Bitcoin on brand new items. And Bitcoin gives you the freedom to spend Bitcoin on the things you need and love. Explore latest techs, gadgets, and pay the Bitcoin instead of cash. And let's look at what all they have here. And it said they do offer international shipping and serving customers all over the globe. And you can browse in the latest brands like Apple, Sony, Samsung, LG, Nintendo, Bose, HP, Dell, Kellogg, Starbucks. And here are the categories: smartphones, tablets, TV and entertainment, video games, music and audio, groceries, gadgets, cameras, smartwatches, laptops, desktop and accessories, toys, baby and toddler, sports and outdoors, pet supplies, and more. So that's all the categories they have. That's a lot of categories right there. So it's just not going to be just tech items. It's a lot more. So if you're looking for the latest product that's released on a new entertainment system or something cool, you can get, some high-tech gadgets, or you can get some video games. They say on here you can get even scooters, a hoverboard, toys, portable Bluetooth speakers, and the security is good on here because when you pay with Bitcoin, they're not going to get your information, so nobody's going to see your information at all. So they don't keep the information or anything like that. So you don't have to worry about that. And they have friendly customer service. Shipping is fast, only take 3 to 5 days. And internationally, it's 5 to 10 business days. And they just tell you what Bitcoin is. Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency and worldwide payment system. It is the first decentralized digital currency as the system works without a central bank or single administrator. And let's look at the ratings right quick. The rating out of 5 stars is 4.7, which is excellent. And let's just read that one review here. This person says, great app, super fast. I like this app, very fast shopping, a nice variety of stuff to buy. I highly recommend. I will order again soon. So this person is a satisfied customer using this app. Now, since that person is satisfied, let's see if we're going to be satisfied. So I already downloaded the app. I'm going to go ahead and go inside the app and just see how it looks and see how the whole thing operates. Let's go in there right now. Okay, here you go. I'm inside the app and it looks fairly simple. I mean, straight to the point. So they got categories right here. And these are all the categories that I said earlier that they have on this app. And let's get out of this right quick. Okay, so they have the smartphone right here. This one category, and it's all the smartphones you can get. And as you can see, it's not even that much. So if you have this much Bitcoin, which is 0.0908, you can buy this smartphone. So let's just click on here and see what else they show on here. So they show you some, one little screenshot of the phone. They give you a description of it. And it's certified, it's accepted with Bitcoin. And here's some other phones right here. Let's see what they give you if you go ahead and add this to cart. And let's view the cart. Okay, so gives you, basically what you would do on Amazon if you was buying something. Gives you all the information that you need when you're buying. You get free shipping. They even got tax on here, but like I say, it's not that much Bitcoin to buy this phone. So let's just click proceed to checkout. I'm not going to go through this whole thing. I'm just going to do these first little steps right here just to see what shows up. So you do the regular, put your name, address, email, and everything. And then I guess you place the order right here, and they're probably going to ask you for your Bitcoin, and you probably have to go through like Coinbase or something like that to pay for the item. And let's see, they have the icons at the bottom. You can search, you got support, you got the cart, and you go back to the main page. So this is just straight to the point, simple. Anybody can work this type of app because it's real easy to use. So that's all I'm gonna say about this app. If you're interested in buying some products on Bitplaza, go ahead and download the app. It's available on Apple Store. So if you have an iPhone, you go to the Apple Store to download this app. And it's also available on Google Play if you have an Android phone. All right, that's all I have for this video. Again, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video. And please give me a like. It really helps out my channel and helps this video to be more searchable on YouTube. And please drop a comment if you have anything that you would like to say about this video or have any questions about this video. And as far as the free money, I said that I do give away at the beginning of this video. I give away free money every month. And if you want to get a chance to do that, all you have to do is watch all my videos. Of course, be a subscriber, like all my videos, watch all these videos all the way to the very end, and drop a comment because I'm going to use a YouTube comment picker to pick the comment. I'm going to pick 2 winners with this YouTube comment picker that it's a site online called YouTube comment picker. And it will let me randomly pick a comment that's in the comment section. So if you want to get a chance to win some money, please drop a comment and watch all my videos and like them. And you have to be a subscriber. And once I get to 2,500 subscribers, and I know it's going to be this month of February 2020, once I get to 2,500 subscribers, that's when I'm going to randomly pick 2 winners. All right, that's all I have for this video. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial on Bitplaza. Until the next time, get your grind on, because the grind is real. Now go watch some of my other videos until my next one come out. Peace.
This is App Grind TV.